Alright, I got you on camera, man. Rock and roll. Calvin Gabbard. First time.
What's top speed on that thing?
It probably goes about 50 miles an hour.
Oh, really? You didn't have it anywhere near that.
I was in first gear.
So it goes faster than the boat goes.
Yeah.
Cool.
He's doing good. He runs over a little brick.
That's a stick.
He's doing good. If you got it in second gear, you do even better.
Why?
Because it'd be smoother. It doesn't have as much pet. Calvin, put it in second gear with your foot.
Oh, I thought you said it does it automatically. You got to
No.
shift with your foot then, huh?
He hasn't got it in gear yet.
You didn't show him where it was.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah. Right on, cowboy. He's doing good.
He's doing real good.
Calvin, second gear. Do it with your foot. Waiting for him to wipe out.
Uh-huh.
Calvin!
Not yet.
He can take off in second gear. Here, go tell him you know how to do it. Tell him. You can take off in second gear.
Don't do it.
I know, I'm not.
Can you stop it for a second?
Yeah.